Hello and welcome to the GBC Productions channel. This is episode 117. In this video, I'll be taking apart a Tascam 4-track cassette recorder. This is a Portastudio model 414. It has 8-channel input. 4 of them are mono that go direct to the cassette, and 2 stereo channels. Up here is EQ, these are sends, and then pan right and left. This is the mix level and the trim level. This switch right here selects between tape input or mic in line. Now the tape does run at a higher speed at 3 3/4 inches per second rather than the standard 1 7/8. It's also 4 tracks in one direction, so there is no side B. So here's the inputs on the front. This is a headphone out and a remote switch, such as a foot switch. Now we'll turn around here, look at the back. Here we have sub in, sync out, line out, monitor out, effect 1 send, effect 2 send. And let me move this back in frame here. This is a stereo channel 5 and 6 input, and this is 7 and 8. Here's the power input and the power button. And on the bottom, there really isn't much to see. I'm going to go ahead and find a screwdriver and get this apart. See if I can pull this knob off. Oh, it'll come off when I take it apart. Now it comes out. I'll get these cables disconnected and then we'll take a better look. Here's the lower half of the case. Everything down here is for running the tape deck. And if we take a closer look here, you can see the 4-track head and the erase head. The belts are in good shape. It's got a Mabushi motor. And this stuff's even labeled too. Track 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there are various adjustments in here, which I'm not going to touch any of that. Now let's take a look at the mixer portion. Now here it is. It has shielding on it. I'm going to go ahead and take that off and get the board out, and then we'll take a better look. Here is the mixer in all of its analog goodness. Here you can see it's made by TEAC. Now there's a couple of interesting things I noticed here. These 2 vertical boards are actually jumper boards, and it says it right on them. Let's see if I can get a view of that. Jump B. Before I put it back together, I'm going to go ahead and clean all the switches and faders. I'll do that off camera. Then I'm going to put this back together. Don't forget to subscribe for more, mash that like button, and comment below. Until next time, this is Uncle D from GBC Productions, signing off.